Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and this is your Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Monday, September 18th. We've got an active weather pattern returning throughout the week with afternoon highs back in the 50s and 60s as soon as Thursday. I'll be breaking that down for you this morning. Key points for focus on today: a series of upper-level troughs will be working through the northern Rockies early this week. What that means for us is isolated showers and thunderstorms each day as temperatures begin a cooling trend with some increasingly breezy winds, particularly each afternoon. Our next storm system will arrive for late Wednesday into Thursday. We're going to have an upper-level low drop out of British Columbia, and as it does, we see some scattered to widespread precipitation chances with high-elevation snow, especially above 8,000 to 8,500 feet, as afternoon highs drop back into the 50s and 60s, 30s and 40s in the mountains. Geocolor satellite for you this morning, so mostly clear skies, still seeing some clouds and maybe an isolated shower or two south of the Snake Plain this morning, but overall mostly dry conditions will prevail. We'll see best chances for showers and thunderstorms each afternoon, but you can already see some of those showers and thunderstorms firing off earlier this morning in the Big Great Basin. Water vapor satellites in the northern Pacific, very busy. So we got a first upper level low that'll be working into our area today. You can see that cold frontal boundary. This will be working through the Pacific Northwest into Idaho. And then we got a secondary one. And then we're keeping an eye on this third one here. So we got a series of three, 1, 2, 3. So Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. This Wednesday one will be the more impactful one. You can see that plume of moisture riding ahead on the axis leading out to that. So we're going to continue to see that working east over the coming days, but certainly some active weather as a result of this high pressure shifting further west, allowing more of this Gulf of Alaska moisture to work into our area. Weather is outlook for your next 5 days. We'll focus on showers and thunderstorms for the next 3, with breezy winds, particularly across our lower elevations and along those higher elevations of the ridge tops, especially up in central Idaho today, with best chances for storms shifting south for Tuesday, with more widespread chances for Wednesday and then into Thursday, Friday. As that storm system arrives, we're looking at showers and storms throughout the day with high elevation snow. Temperatures and wind gusts for today. So overall, we're going to see afternoon highs today, 70s and 80s across the board. So fairly warm again today ahead of that cold front. But wind gusts will be peaking this afternoon at about that 25 to 35 mile an hour range. Strongest winds up in Challis towards Lemhi County. The severe weather outlook for today does highlight our entire area outside of the Stanley Basin, just for some risk of some thunderstorms for this afternoon. So overall, winds to 40, small hail with some of those stronger storms, but overall, predominantly dry today. The probability of thunder today highlights about that 20 to 30% chance across much of our area, with a little bit extra up as you head up into Island Park and southwest Montana. But overall, guess chances are going to be south and east of the Snake Plain and along the I-15 corridor. High temperatures and wind gusts for your Tuesday. So we're going to have afternoon highs noticeably cooler, 60s and 70s. We lost the 80s for Tuesday. And the afternoon wind gusts about 20 to 40 miles an hour. Severe weather outlook for your Tuesday. Again, best chances for storms will shift further south. Again, that's south of the 84, 86 corridors into Utah, Nevada, then further east into Wyoming. But overall, fairly dry conditions as you head further north, with best chances during the afternoon hours on Tuesday. The probability of thunder for Tuesday, again, keeps those best chances about that 10 to 30% chance south of the Snake Plain. High temperatures and wind gusts for your Wednesday. So we lose a couple more degrees Tuesday over Wednesday. So we're still seeing highs in the 60s and 70s for your Wednesday afternoon, with some lingering breezy winds about that 20 to 35 mile an hour range. And the severe weather outlook for Wednesday, again, highlights our entire area. So as the system works into our area, we're going to continue to see at least those chances for showers and thunderstorms. But as that widespread cloud cover begins to fill in for Thursday and Friday, helping to lower those temperatures, we may see a lack of instability and lack thereof of thunderstorms. So trending a little bit less as we head into Thursday and Friday. And speaking of high temperatures on Thursday and Friday, we're going to see temperatures nosedive, so 50s and 60s during the afternoon hours, pushing 20 degrees, 25 degrees cooler in some places than we're going to see today. So overall on Friday, it looks like it's going to be the coldest day. Some areas struggle to even reach 50 as you head out towards Driggs, Island Park, but still hanging out to some 60s up towards Salmon and the Twin Falls area. And here's a look at the precipitation total. So again, best chances we're looking at that Wednesday evening time frame through Thursday and all day Friday. The system will depart to our east for the weekend, but overall we're keeping an eye on some widespread light to moderate precipitation, especially as you head further north and east into the mountains, with best chances for snow, again, going to be confined above that 8,000 to 8,500 foot mark, but certainly up towards Galena Summit could see their first snow of the year, Teton Pass, those mountain passes, but especially up in the central mountains of Idaho above 8,000 to 9,000 feet, could see some appreciative snowfall accumulations. And that's about all I have for you this morning. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Have an awesome Monday.